Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you've got a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and on the other side, you have the power button for your hatch lights, which can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your spare with some extra room for other equipment. Looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and wetsuit material interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches and multi-rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View, driver assistance features and settings, your navigation, now playing, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle and service info and whatnot. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with adaptive steering and distance pacing technology, as well as your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your hazards and auto start stop shut off. You have a tray area beneath that, and then your climate controls with heated front seats. Below that, you have this area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and a wireless charging pad, so you can throw your phone on there to charge. And then you have your main shifter on a dial, two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you've got your center compartment / armrest with another USB and USB-C inside and a decent amount of room for your stuff, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.